Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, design, few of the most highlighted feature and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's just start it. So first of all, let me tell you that this device is still not available in most of the countries and I bought it from Gearbest. The link is given in the description of this video, so if you are interested, you can buy it from there as well. I got it delivered in just 3 days and now here I am performing the unboxing. So if you are interested, click on the link below and get the device. So now let's start our unboxing stuff. First of all, let's have a look on its retail box. So here you can see it's a nice red color box of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. You can see it's written here, everything is in Chinese. There is some information about the device that it comes with 5.99 inch screen with 18:9 aspect ratio, 4000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 625 processor. Rest of the stuff is in Chinese. The device we got here is golden in color. On the back, once again, we got some information like 6-inch screen with 18:9 aspect ratio, to 12 megapixel primary camera, 4000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 625 processor, and then there is more information that it comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Basically, we got two variants of Redmi 5 Plus. One comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and another one got 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, and that's what we got here. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So here is a TPU case provided. This is our Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. A user manual in Chinese. Here is the USB cable, micro USB 2.0. A SIM card, tray ejector pin, and here is the charger. As you can see, just like all of the other Xiaomi smartphone, there is no earphones provided in the retail box of Redmi 5 Plus as well. So these are the content we got: the charger, SIM card, tray ejector pin, the cable, user manual, the CPU case, and the device. So here is our Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. Let's switch on the device. So you can see this is an unlocked version of the device, and while it's booting up for the first time, let me tell you about some of the hardware specs. That it comes with 6-inch Full HD Plus screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The processor inside we got is Snapdragon 625 along with Adreno 506 GPU. It comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 12 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash. It runs on Android 7.1 Nougat OS along with MIUI 9 user interface of Xiaomi. So now I'm just going to skip lots of steps, finish this setup, and then we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus smartphone. So first of all, let's have a look on the screen. As you can see that it comes with 6-inch Full HD Plus screen. So the PPI you will get is 403 and the screen to body ratio is 77.5% nearly. So as you can see that it's not a bezel-less design. There are bezels clearly visible on the side of the device, on the edge of the screen, and also it got a bit more chin compared to other flagship smartphones coming with more than 80% screen to body ratio, but still it's looking really nice and beautiful. And as you can see that you will not see any pixel or blurriness on the screen of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. So the display quality is looking really nice at the first glance, and the touch screen sensitivity is nice as well. You can see it's so nice and very responsive. On the front side there is 5 megapixel front facing camera along with the LED flash and a set of sensor. There is earpiece provided as well, At the bottom there is nothing. The navigation keys are provided on screen, so this part is basically unused here. And at the top what we got is a 3.5 mm audio jack. There's a microphone and an IR blaster is provided as well. At the bottom there is the micro USB port to charge the device and two speaker grills. On the right hand side there is power key and the volume rockers, and the keys are very well placed. As you can see that the thumb is reaching exactly at the power key and the volume down. For volume up you will have to move your thumb a bit more, but still the placement of the physical keys are really nice. And on the left hand side we got the SIM card tray slot here, and if you go on the back side there is 12 megapixel primary camera with dual turn dual LED flash, and there is a fingerprint sensor provided as well. Then there is Xiaomi branding, and the antenna lines are clearly visible and they are very shiny and actually enhancing the beauty of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus here. And the metal body, the aluminum body of Xiaomi Redmi 5 feels really good in hand. It's not so lightweight, it weighs 180 grams, but considering the fact that it comes with 4000 mAh battery and a huge 6-inch screen, the weight is totally justified. Actually it does not feel so heavy at all. So now let's go to the settings and let's see what we got inside. So you can see that lots of features and options are provided. If you go to the about phone section, then you will find more information about the device, that it comes with Android 7.1.2 Nougat OS. Security patch level is of 1st November. MIUI version is 9.2 global, it's a stable version. CPU is clocked at 2 GHz. It's an octa-core processor, 4GB RAM. Out of 64GB, 54.22GB is available. So nearly 10GB internal storage is consumed by pre-installed applications and the ROM. And then if you go back from here to the home screen, here you will find all of the applications that Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus got. So as you can see that it comes with weather, a folder with Google application. In tools folder you will find lots of interesting apps and tools. There is a screen recorder provided here as well. It comes with FM radio too. And then there is a scanner and compass like other Xiaomi smartphones. And here you will find the File Explorer, Notes, Xiaomi Remote, because it comes with IR blaster. So there is Xiaomi Remote application provided as well to use the IR blaster. And then what we got is a set of Microsoft folders. So it comes with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Skype, and then there is MIUI forum as well. If you go to more apps, there is WPS Office provided as well, very much similar to what you got here. So these are the things, the tools application that we got on Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. And now let's have a look on the camera. So it comes with 12 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. So this is the standard user interface. As you can see, if you tap on options, you will get all of these options, like it comes with panorama, timer, audio. There are manual settings provided as well. Then there's straighten, beautify, night mode, scene, tilt shift as well. And if you tap on settings, here you will find lots of nice information. So we will have a look on all of these features and camera modes in our later video. Now let's take a picture of this tiny toy and let's see how good Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus camera is going to perform. So you can see that the focusing speed is really nice, and also the image processing, it was really quick. So let's have a look on the image that we have just captured. So here we go. So it's looking quite good. I captured this image in artificial light inside this room and it's looking quite good. The color saturation is good, the detail of the object is nice as well, because as you can see that it's a really tiny toy here and the image is so huge with lots of details. So the camera performance is looking quite good in the first shot, but we will do a detailed review later to check how good it's going to perform in real life scenario and different lighting conditions and all. So at the first glance, Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is looking really good. The screen is really beautiful, even though it comes with huge battery and screen and it weighs 180 grams basically. It does not feel so heavy in hand. The design is really nice. The screen to body ratio is quite good. It comes with IR blaster. There is a fingerprint scanner provided on the back. The camera is looking quite good here as well. It comes with Snapdragon 625 processor, Adreno 506 GPU, 4GB of RAM. So we will do a detailed gaming review later to see how good all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in the performance of Redmi 5 Plus. The only drawback is that it still comes with micro USB 2.0 port instead of a USB Type-C. But the good thing is that it comes with 3.5mm audio jack, so you need to consider this point here as well. So at the first glance, this device is really solid, and as I said earlier, if you're interested in buying this smartphone, visit the link given in the description of this video to buy it, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for many more videos of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus that I'm going to upload very soon in the next few days. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.